Having problems getting these kind of drains out. You're spinning this thing here, you can't get anything off. That's because this piece actually unscrews off the top. So what I do is I take a pair of pliers down here and I hold it up here. I just put a little pressure on it. And now you can unscrew it. See it spinning? Watch this. There it goes. So yeah, you just need to put a little pressure on the side of this thing with some pliers. Now you can get your drain out.